Hi, my name is Patrick Reed from the Adamus Principle. Last week, it was all about dollar yen. The Goldilocks Brigade were happy. A massive beat on USDJPY, 0.4 higher, and a stonking Chicago PMI. I think it was around 64.57 was the consensus. So the biggest thing, as you know, was dollar yen. This kind of attracted some stories and some desk talk saying it was risk on, but for me, I spoke to my friend Beat Nussbaumer, and EM dollar didn't really get hit as much. So slight mixed feelings. Talk of a yen move, a month-end yen move. It was a little bit of a coincidence, so maybe it just did it as well. 113.25 should cap things if we get there, but 112 proving short-term, near-term resistance. 111.50. The line in sand in the support. Incidentally, 10-year yields in the US firm, along with equities, helping the cause. Further Goldilocks, not too hot, not too cold, just right. So the second slide is euro dollar. This is interesting because it didn't really do much on the US data. Net, very little divergence. It's been like this for ages, basically. The interesting thing about this was euro dollar moved euro yen, and we'll come to that slide in a sec. And it actually, euro dollar moved dollar index above some key moving averages on the daily. And because of its small weighting, this is quite significant. Dollar index weighting is quite a lot, and dollar yen is much smaller. However, it didn't stop it moving it, so that's just something that's playing in my mind. A bit odd, a bit of risk off, but not a bit of risk on, but nothing completely 100% confirmed. And as you know, month-end flows still playing a large part in these moves. So the third slide, euro yen, as I mentioned. Euro yen bid just sort of off the highs, but bid only because of dollar yen. The power of dollar yen runs deep, so that's the main narrative for me and the big move from last week. And then slide 4, dollar CAD, not really my favorite pair for the loonie, but the charts are working a charm. 131.15, the bottom of the trend channel, defended that. 135, you would expect large sellers, but the Bank of Canada half blinked. Let's just see what happens this week, and just watch that risk. The final slide, euro sterling, finally 86.20 did what it ought to do and capped everything. If that breaks, you've got 86.90, the next target, but I'm not so sure. We're lower today. And that's about it for this week. Lots going on, lots of events. I'll be blogging on LinkedIn. Patrick Reed, the Adamus Principle.